Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your Facebook experience and stop those automatic comment summaries from appearing on your posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable comment summaries on your Facebook posts using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your main feed, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand to show more options. Next, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Now, look for the section labeled Posts on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to open up the post settings. Here, you'll find a variety of options that let you customize how your posts appear and how others interact with them. Scroll down until you see the option that says Allow comment summaries on your posts. By default, this might be turned on, which means Facebook automatically summarizes comments on your posts for you and your friends. If you'd rather see every comment in full without summaries, simply toggle this option off. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've taken control over how comments are displayed on your posts. Now, when you or your friends view your posts, you'll see all the comments as they were written, without Facebook condensing them into summaries. Taking a moment to adjust these settings can make your Facebook experience more personal and tailored to your preferences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can customize their own Facebook settings too. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your improved Facebook experience.